Welcome back to HowCar USA, your home for the world's most powerful classic muscle hyper-performance machines and next-generation automotive technology. Today we bring you an American legend reborn, the 1969 Ford Mustang Fastback Restomod, a machine that takes the soul of classic muscle and upgrades it with modern engineering to create a beast that owns the road with pure aggression and unmatched style. This Mustang is a full custom nut and bolt rotisserie build, every inch rebuilt, upgraded and perfected to deliver extreme power, modern handling and show-stopping looks. Under the hood lives the mighty 50-liter Coyote V8 pushing around 435 horsepower, the same modern heart powering today's high-performance Ford models. The wide engine bay, inspired by the historic Boss 429 platform, fits the engine like it was born for it, backed by an aeromotive fuel system, Doug's polished ceramic headers, custom side exhaust and a fully functional shaker hood scoop feeding fresh air directly to the motor, giving this car authentic muscle car energy. Power flows through a Tremec 6-speed manual transmission made for drivers who demand full control, connected to a heavy-duty 350 ratio Moser traction rear differential with 31 spline axles built to handle serious torque and aggressive acceleration. The suspension is fully modern with TCI front and rear setups, Ridetech adjustable coilovers, rack and pinion steering, and Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes with drilled and slotted rotors and powder-coated calipers, giving you incredible handling, precise steering and confident stopping power. Low-profile performance tires wrapped around chrome US mag wheels complete the aggressive stance that makes this Mustang look ready for battle. The exterior shines in a stunning crimson-red finish with silver striping, custom spoilers, Eleanor-inspired ground effects, side skirts, hood-mounted turn signal indicators, a shaker hood and even a backup camera. The body is straight as an arrow, the floors are painted in push style. Hood pins add that race-ready attitude. Inside the cabin you get a full custom gray leather interior, bucket seats, a beautiful center console, Dakota digital gauges, a flaming river tilt column, LED lighting, power windows, vintage air, and a modern sound system with Bluetooth navigation, Rockford Fosgate subwoofers and amplifier. Every detail inside is designed for comfort, performance and style working together perfectly. Under the car everything is new, upgraded and show-ready, brand new brake lines, a sway bar, hydraulic clutch, insulated exhaust, be cool radiator, electric fans, polished master cylinder, custom suspension and a brand new gas tank. This Mustang is built for power, reliability and long-distance cruising with no compromises. This 1969 Ford Mustang Fastback Restomod is proof that classic muscle will never die. Instead it evolves, gets stronger and becomes an icon reborn. This build is one of the finest combinations of modern performance and classic American spirit. This is HowCar USA, bringing you the most powerful classics, the hottest Restomods, the fastest supercars and the craziest hyper machines from around the world. Make sure you like, subscribe and stay connected so we can keep delivering the best automotive content for you.